and size to meet the specific packaging requirements for a variety of industries. Inflatable protective air cushion packaging has many advantages: extraordinary protection performance, environmental protection, and cutting packaging cost. It is the new trend of protective packaging and widely used in the fields of e-commerce, glassware, shipping and mailing, electronics, appliance, and ceramics. We work with you as a partner, consultant, and expert technologist to bring your vision of improvement, packaging process, and revenue, eliminating a problem or creating a competitive advantage. We take the time to understand the full scope of your needs in order to provide the best possible packaging solution for your needs. Every aspect of our process and services is designed to protect your products as well as optimize your packaging process. Our products have obtained the RoHS CE certificates. After years of developing and research in the field of inflatable air cushion packaging, our products has been exported to global markets such as United States, England, Germany, Poland, and other countries. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.